Well, it's Wednesday, and just had 2 loads of base dropped off over here, and got the skid steer over here, and we're gonna try to get this spread out and grade it in, and try to roll it in and pack it down as best I can with the skid steer. Get this done and put my grading skills with the skid steer to the test. I don't have a lot of experience with the skid steer grading. A lot of people think it's just you get in the thing and just go, but I think it's a little bit more to it than that. But we're gonna get it done, and definitely be a learning experience today with this, which is always cool. Love to learn something new and get more run time doing some grade work. Most of the time I'm doing brush cutting with the skid steer, but this will be some good bucket work, good dirt work to do today, and we'll get this rocking and rolling. Well, we're all spread out, graded in, and I think this looks pretty good, especially for my first time doing something like this with base on a little parking lot like this. I don't have a roller, so I just ran it over with the skid steer as much as I could, tried to pack it down as best I could. So I might run it down just a little bit more before I jump in the truck or load everything up. But this did come out pretty well. It could probably use another load up there a little bit. We could probably use that, but if I had some water to wet this down before I rolled it, it'd be really awesome when I don't. But yeah, I'm liking this. So it should taper down. It's not going to fix the drainage issue. They really need to bring this wall up back here to fix this drainage issue. Probably can't see this on the video, but there's a good little slope here on this this parking lot. But yeah, once I got those initial piles knocked down, kind of graded in pretty good, and then I brought the skid steer. I didn't get this on video, but I brought the skid steer and kind of drug some of it across this way and filled in this little bit over here. But this is the main kind of parking area over here. There was a container over there on Monday, but they must have moved it, and there was another one right there. They must have moved those, so to get more, maybe more parking space over here. So that over there, now that those containers are gone, could probably use some base too, but I didn't know those were going to be gone. So this is what we got for now. I'm gonna roll it in a little bit more, and then I got some more bush hogging to go do this afternoon. So I'm gonna get everything loaded up, roll this in a little bit more, and I'm out of here. I'll see you guys later.